Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you couldn't tell, today we're going to be doing some nails. This is going to be a TikTok hack, if you couldn't tell from the little title on the screen. I'm not sure whose video I was watching when I saw this hack, so I can't give credit where credit is due. And it wasn't their video anyway, it was somebody else's. So basically, we're going to be working with the Savvyland Excelsior Nail Art Nail Extended Glue Gel. And I have out, I believe, some coffin tips, some XXL coffin tips. And basically, the idea behind this is you're going to take glitter. You're going to put the glue gel all over the nail, not just the tip, but the whole nail like I'm doing in the picture. And then you're gonna take and put some glitter wherever you think that your nail is not going to be. So it's gonna look like a French tip almost, with glitter everywhere but where your nail is. So it's gonna look really beautiful, and because it's this nail glue, it will actually cure under the light fully because it's clear. And then I also did get some rhinestones out. You'll see that I put those on the cuticles later in the video, but that's beyond the point. In this video, before I actually started, I pushed my cuticles back. I then put on some nail dehydrator and then some nail primer, and I used a cuticle ball bit just to make sure I didn't have anything else on. Wiped my nails off all the way, and then put them on the with the extension glue. So for the first time that I set one of these, I figured I would keep it in the light the whole time so that you guys could see it. And in this one, and only this one, it looks like I forgot a little tiny area of glitter that I didn't notice until after the fact, which kind of annoys me, but what are you gonna do? Things like this happen. I probably should have cut this out, but I didn't for some reason. So we're gonna have to deal with me just popping that in the lamp for a second. But I cut it out in the lamp. So basically, other than two little pieces of glitter that ended up where the nail was, that nail turned out pretty good. So now we're just going to keep on following that same thing. And I do end up kind of off camera through part of it, and I didn't mean to. I try really hard to stay in focus and in frame, but it's just not always easy to do so. At least the only time I went off frame for the most part was when I was putting the extension glue on. So it wasn't really a big deal. Now I'm just going to keep putting glitter on these nails, and then I'm going to put them on in the lamp, and then it all just seals itself. This is like the most easy way to do a nail look ever. Seriously, it's beautiful. It takes no time at all. You just have to make sure you have no glitter like where your nail is, because if so, it won't look right. I think it just turns out so pretty, and they're just beautiful. I'm not sure why I did all 5 of them on camera either, because you guys really didn't need to see all 5 of these, but that's okay too. I can keep talking to you guys for a few minutes. Not a big deal at all. Like I said, I did get off camera a little bit while I was putting the extension glue on, but it was just while I was putting the extension glue on. I stayed on for the most part while I was doing the glitter and the recording bar is directly over my nails, so I can't really see what's going on, but I know the gist of the video, so I kind of understand what's going on. This video is from a few weeks ago. I haven't put up a nail video in a little bit, so I'm gonna have to get this up. I haven't done a nail tutorial in a while, and I have another TikTok hack that I saw quite a few people do that I want to try. So I will probably have another TikTok hack coming up that I might be able to find out who did it to begin with. So here we go with this. We're just going to pop this on in the light, and then again put some gel on. The only thing that annoyed me towards the end of the video is that I started running out of this glue gel. I needed another bottle. Sorry, I keep saying I will see if I can cut a little bit of that out. But anyway, I put glitter in, and then I had to keep screwing the bottle down and then pulling the bottle up to get extra glue on the nail, and then I would be able to put the glitter in and all that fun stuff. This is a very beautiful purple glitter that I got from AliExpress, I think, something like that. Again, I said it, I have to get used to doing voiceovers. This is like a really strange thing for me. Honestly, I am not used to doing it whatsoever, and I got a little bit used to it for a little while, but then I stopped. So yeah, so we're gonna put, I believe, yeah, see, I have to keep opening and closing the bottle to get enough glue out to finish the last nail. And I really was struggling for a second. I almost got a different kind out, but that was the only one I had of that Savvy Land gel, and I didn't want to mix two kinds, and it was just a big mess. So I did order more, and I have more now, so I don't have that problem at this time. So for, I believe this is the last nail, we're just going to go ahead and put that glitter in there like the rest of them. And you can see me placing the glitter. If you guys can hear my dogs in the background, I apologize, but it wouldn't be one of my videos without my dogs. So they said hi. So here I'm just putting the glitter on the nail. I'm going to go ahead in a minute and put that in the lamp, and that will be done in 2 seconds, I believe. And then I make a total mess. I'm not sure what my dogs are barking about, but I hope they stop very soon. Here we go. All right, so there goes my finger, and I don't know if you guys saw, but my my cuticle crystals went everywhere. They were actually like little resin crystals, and they flew everywhere. I was in the middle of like going to pick one up, and the thing flung up in the air, and there are crystals everywhere. You can see the little purple dots all over the place. Yeah, those are crystals. So I just finished the rest of the video picking up crystals that were laying all over the table. I figured, why not? Why clean it up when I can just use them as they sit and do my thing? So I was very, very happy with the way everything was turning out. I was doing my nails over on the other side away from the light, And then once I would finish with a couple, I would go and put it in the light. And then I would pull it away, go and do another one, put it in the light. So the light stayed on a lot during this part of the video, but it was just me basically making sure my nails were cured, and then using my McCart rhinestone glue. So I just went through, I put cuticle crystals on all 5 nails, and the cuticle crystals were purple, which matched the glitter perfectly. It was just like a match made in heaven, honestly. It turned out so beautifully. And that McCart rhinestone glue, it only takes like 20 seconds to set. It takes like no time flat. So it didn't take long at all during this part to finish. So and there's no way to shut this lamp off unless you unplug it and then replug it back in, which is too much when you are working with one hand. So I just did as everything went. This is getting towards the end of the video. I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you and appreciate each and every one of you. Wherever you guys are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great one. I'm not sure how many nails I have left. I think I have one left, but I wanted to get the good stuff out of the way. If you're still here with me and you haven't given me a thumbs up, I would graciously love it if you would give me a like of this video. And if you're not subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe. I have a 300 subscriber giveaway coming up that is huge. I have a ton of stuff to give away. I'm really excited about that and cannot wait. So definitely going to be a fun thing. So if you're not subscribed, maybe you want to subscribe for that 300 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, after this, my nails are done, and then I believe I just show them to you guys, and I think that's it, because they really don't need a top coat or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys my nails at different angles and things like that right here. They look really, really pretty. I was so happy with them. And there was an end on this. These weren't coffin, they were stiletto. Yeah, they were stiletto, and the tips were kind of funky, so I clipped the tips off. I forgot they were stiletto. I thought they were coffin. But anyway, that's that. So I'm gonna get going. I love you guys so much, so bye. All right, guys.